Okay, now Zylpha just said that there's an 0800 number for the legal committee standards, or what is it called here? Legal complaints review officer. So apparently they are separate. Okay, so they have separate fees.
For inquiries about a motor vehicle you have purchased, press 1. For complaints about a lawyer, press 2. Legal Complaints Review Office, Jan speaking.
G'day Jan, how are you today?
Good, thank you.
Awesome. I'm ringing this is the legal complaints review office, is that correct?
Yep.
Yeah. I was just speaking to the New Zealand Law Society in regards to a complaint I made over duty solicitor who, in my opinion, failed in her duties. There was a question I have here in regards to the prescription fee. Why does it cost $50 to have a review in regards to a public duty solicitor?
Well, it's you're reviewing you've made a complaint to the Law Society, they've issued a decision that you are not happy with and you want to have it reviewed, and the legislation has got an application fee of $50.
It's not so much that I'm not happy with it, I just don't fully understand it.
I can't help you there other than that it's a fee that's set by Parliament.
Okay. Are there like fee schedules that are applicable in New Zealand for that sort of thing? Is it like a fee schedule that the Complaints Review Office has?
No, this one's set down in the legislation.
Which legislation?
You've got to pay the prescribed fee, which, if you look at Section 198
of
the Lawyers and Conveyancers Act 2006.
The Lawyers and Conveyancers Act 2006. Section 198. Applications for review. Every application for a review under Section 193 must a. be in the prescribed form, and b. be lodged with the Legal Complaints Review Officer within 30 working days after a copy or notice of the determination, requirement, or order made, or the direction given, or the performance or exercise of the function or power, by the Standards Committee, or by any person on its behalf or with its authority, is served on, given to, or otherwise brought to the attention of, the applicant for review, which, in the absence of proof to the contrary, is presumed to have occurred on the 5th working day after it is made, given, or performed or exercised, and c. be accompanied by the prescribed fee, if any.
Okay, so Section
198.
Okay, cool.
And it says that you have to pay by the prescribed fee, if any, and the prescribed fee is $50.
Okay.
See, as to where that is set down, I'm sorry, I can't tell you. It'll be one of the
Sure.
regulations or something.
It'll be in a schedule of some sort at the end of the act somewhere, won't it?
It's non-negotiable. It's just a $50 fee.
Yeah, it seems strange. I mean, the lady I was Zylpha, I was speaking to at New Zealand Law Society, she did say that you guys are a separate entity from...
I don't know any of those people
okay.
you're talking to.
Okay, a lovely lady at the New Zealand Law Society, and she was saying you guys are a separate entity. So do you still like function in the... Are you a private entity or a public?
I mean, when she says we're separate, we're administered by... The Legal Complaints Review Officer is independently appointed. This office is administered by the Ministry of Justice. So
you're all under the same umbrella of the Ministry of Justice?
Yeah, well, no, the Law Society isn't. They're completely separate. So we are administered by the Ministry of Justice. So when we get an application for review, write to the Law Society and we ask them to send us a copy of their complaint file.
Sure.
And then it's an independent review. So we're not associated with the Law Society.
Okay. But you are associated with the government and the Crown?
Well, we're administered by the Ministry of Justice. If you want to go onto our website and have a look at some of the annual reports, that might be helpful.
No, I mean, I'm not legally trained. I don't understand any legislature whatsoever unless I've got someone to you know,
Well,
interpret it for me.
Independent review of the decision of the Standards Committee.
Okay, but you're not an independent entity. You are part of the Crown,
We're part of the Ministry of Justice.
which is the Crown, yes?
Yep, correct.
Okay.
New Zealand Law Society is not part of the Crown.
Yeah, they're a separate society, aren't they? Solely for the lawyers. Thank you very much for your time.
Rightio.
Thank you. Bye.